Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Relax Inn Greeneville. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Greeneville, within 23 miles of Hands-On Discovery Center and 26 miles of George L. Carter Railroad Museum, Relax Inn Greeneville has accommodations with free Wi-Fi. The property provides room service and a 24-hour front desk for guests. At the motel, all rooms come with air conditioning, a seating area, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a safety deposit box and a private bathroom with a shower, free toiletries and a hairdryer. At Relax Inn Greeneville, the rooms have bed linen and towels. Tweetsie Trail is 27 miles from the accommodation, while Tipton-Haynes Historic Site is 28 miles away. The nearest airport is Tri-Cities Regional Airport, 30 miles from Relax Inn Greeneville. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.